Hello, my name is Vinicius Debelli and I will present the work Hemodynamic Responses in Prefrontal Cortex during Preferred and Fast Walking Speed of Young and Older People. Older people have increased prefrontal cortex activity during walking, mainly in challenging situations such as fast walking speed, which has been considered a compensatory mechanism due to the loss of gait automaticity. However, previous studies that investigate this situation were performed in treadmills, which might be a limitation since gait modulation is external guided. Therefore, the aim of this study was to analyze the hemodynamic activity in prefrontal cortex during preferred and fast walking overground in young and older people. For this study, 12 young people and 15 older people were analyzed while walked during 30 seconds at preferred speed and fast speed condition. A FNIR system was positioned over the prefrontal cortex to analyze the concentration of oxyhemoglobin. The analysis of oxyhemoglobin was divided into baseline period and experimental task. The difference between experimental task and baseline was used as variable. In this figure, we can see the oxyhemoglobin in prefrontal cortex during walking conditions of the older people in gray bars and young people in black bars. In both hemispheres, older people present higher prefrontal cortex activity compared to the young people. There were no main effect of condition or and interaction. We concluded that the older people have increased prefrontal cortex activation during overground walking, suggesting that older people need to use cognitive research to control gait. However, fast walking speed no require greater prefrontal cortex activity compared to preferred walking speed.